Everyone, welcome back to our marketing management series. In the previous lecture, we discussed evolution of marketing concepts. In today's lecture, we will understand another important topic, nature and scope of marketing. This topic is important for BCom, MCom and UGC NET Commerce students also. First, let us understand the meaning of marketing. Marketing is the process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer needs profitably. In simple words, marketing means understanding what customer needs, creating product that give them value, and satisfying those needs while earning profit. Marketing mainly involves three things. First, identifying customer needs. Second, creating value through product or services. And third, satisfying those needs profitably. Now, let us understand the nature of marketing. The nature of marketing explains the basic characteristics of marketing. It helps us understanding how marketing works in a business organization. Marketing is not just about selling products. It involves understanding customers, creating value, and building relationships with them. Now, let us discuss some important characteristics. First, marketing is customer oriented. This means businesses focus on understanding and satisfying customer needs. Second, marketing is a social process. It involves interaction between buyer, seller, and society. Third, marketing involves exchange. This means goods or services are exchanged for value, usually money. Fourth, marketing focuses on creating value for customers. Marketing has also some additional characteristics. First, marketing is a continuous process. It does not stop after the selling a product. Second, the main goal of marketing is satisfaction of customer needs. Third, marketing focuses on building long-term relationships with the customers. Now, let us understand the scope of marketing. Scope means the area where marketing can be applied. Marketing is not limited to selling products or goods or services. It applies to many different areas such as goods, services, events, persons, places, organizations, even ideas. For example, marketing of goods include physical products like clothes, phone, or food item, like we all know. Marketing of services include banking, education, and healthcare. Marketing can also promote events such as concerts or exhibitions. Even persons such as celebrities or political leaders use marketing for personal branding. Similarly, places, organizations, and ideas can also be marketing. Here's a quick question for you. Which of the following is included in the scope of marketing? Goods, services, ideas, or all of above? Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more lectures on the marketing management and UGC NET Commerce.